Hi, I'm Peter Lawrence and I'm here to demonstrate Dedoctive, a tool to allow users to ask their questions of a comprehensive library of their documents. Dedoctive works by creating a knowledge model of your document library. Users can then ask a question. Dedoctive discovers from this knowledge model the relevant facts. Dedoctive then assembles the answer using AI from these and only these facts. In addition, Dedoctive provides all provenance of the answers in the form of cross-references back to the source of knowledge. But the best thing to do is to see it in action. This is the user interface. Simple one at this stage, but can be customized to particular domains. I can choose which library. I'm going to choose a library of planning documents associated with a district. And when I adopt the query, I can sort of change the persona that I wish to ask the question of, and I can ask any question. In good demonstration styles, I've entered some of the questions that I know that I'm going to use, and I'm going to select them from a list. I can just as easily type them in. And finally, I can give specific instructions about how I want the answer structured. In this case, it's best if the clearance of the footpath adheres to planning guidelines. So there's my query. Run the query now. And in the background, it's assembling the answer, and there is the answer that it's constructed for me. And we can see clear 2 meters for general footpaths, 3 meters for busy locations, and it gives me these answers. Now, do I trust those answers? Well, these all came from this same library. If I choose to click on one of these references, I can look at the details to see where that fact comes from. And as it goes through, we can see the actual document and the actual location. On the left, it shows me a fragment of the knowledge model, which it used to construct the facts to give to AI. But on the right, I actually have the source of the information. Let's try something a little bit more numeric. Let's choose an entirely different library. In this case, this is a collection of project reports associated with wastewater treatment in India. And under these circumstances, I'm going to be an environmental specialist. I'm going to choose a question, again, which I've already typed in, and this is going to be what is the individual and total cost for these projects. And under these circumstances, I'm emphasizing project accounting. So I submit that query. Again, it's going away. It's finding all of the details necessary to answer that question. And then it assembles the question and reports back with the answer. And it's seeing multiple projects here. And it's also constructed the total of those projects' costs for me. Once again, I can drill into the model to see where it's extracted that information. Here we see a reference. It looks much the same. There is the document. Here, though, is another reference. And under these circumstances, it hasn't gone to the document model, but it's gone to the knowledge graph, which is also assembled associated with these documents. And that's the story of Dedoctive, the ability to take any library of documents, create a knowledge model of those documents so that we can prepare the facts to submit to AI to assemble a comprehensive answer, not only lists of facts, but also manipulate those facts to create totals, etc. And that's it. Thank you for listening.